Smudge Kajal has been one of the most iconic looks of all time. We've seen our favorite actresses like Kajol, Rani Mukherjee, Kriti Sanon and even Bebo rock this look time and again. Today I'm going to teach you how to get this bold eye look using only 3 products. So if you want to know how to get this look, please keep on watching. You can never go wrong with Kajal, and this look is easy, it's quick and it gives you the right amount of glam. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily.